It's me again, and we're still working on the Lego project. And yeah, so I did a little bit of off cam, and sorry I couldn't do the outro. I ran out of storage on my phone, so I had to delete some things. So that's why it turned off by itself. So I did this, and now I have to repeat it. And I was gonna do it off cam, but for some reason I didn't. I did it separately, so that was kind of dumb. So yeah, we're going to get back to it, and I'm not going to talk through because I did it in... Well, actually, no, I didn't. So I am going to talk through it. Okay, so... Yeah, I still have my slime. So fun. Okay, so I need this round piece here. And then now I need this little thing, and I just gotta put it on like that, so you can see those pieces like this, this piece, and this piece. So next page. Okay, so now I need these two things, these little, whatever they are, and put it on the one sticking out, this one, not the one closer to the thing. So now I need this little cylinder thing. And this, and the pink fire. I don't know why it's pink. Okay, so now I think I have to do it. These. Okay, I got that in like that. You can see the little blue piece. Now I need the cone. Just put that there. And I had trouble doing this home. Like, it was like hard to put it on. I don't know why. But there we go, I got it on. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, so let me see how to do this. Okay, so there's 2 bars. So, alright, so this part goes here, I'm guessing. And this other one I have to do upside down like that on the bottom. So there we go. It should look like this from the front. Yeah. Okay. Also, we're making 2 more, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, I'm tired of doing this. Alright, it's the exact same way. I'm not going to explain it because I just did it there. So I'm not going to explain it, even though it's going to be silent. But I am going to be talking to you guys just so y'all don't get bored and turn off the video. So like this, I think. Yeah, I don't think it matters. Well, I know it does, but I don't know which way. Oh, they're doing it a little different this time. Okay. So now you want to do this part first. Then the hook thing-a-ma-doodle. Then this other little Lego person leg again. And now the little hood. Pop the hood thing. So yeah, now you should get that. That's your other piece. Okay. So yeah, we just have to repeat this again. This is going to be very, very boring. Whenever I say very, I mean very, very, very boring. Like that, yeah. Then we have to repeat the cone thing again. We have to get the cylinder, put that through the hole, get the cone, put that there, get the pink fire, and put that there. And voila! Yep, then... Yeah, we have to make that again. Then we're done, yeah. Sweet. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It all looks epic. Look at that. It even moves and stuff. Then we just have to do this last one. Then we can make the man, give him his little gun, and yeah, he's gonna be epic. Okay, so you have to do the club. And don't judge me for looking at the instructions. Not amazing like Marcelo is. I'll look at the instructions a few times and I got it. Not instantly. But okay, like that. Then I got to do this part. So this goes here. That goes there. Then this hook goes here. My Russian accent is terrible. Oh, I did it wrong. Did it 4 times. How did I do it wrong? You're a big goof, Taylor. Okay, now this piece that goes there. Okay, then I do the hoodie. Ooh, I'm almost done, guys. It's so good. Looks EPC. Oh my gosh. I could just add this on and be done with it, but I want to keep my patience. I want to finish this and make it look amazing. I don't want to waste my time on something dumb, like just because I don't want to do it. Okay, so now the cylinder, the cone. Ooh, I only got a few more pieces left. Boom, done. Now let's connect it like that. Boom, all done. There's our X-Fighter wing jet. Now let's build our man, and you should know how to build the people. It's easy. Ding dong. Now his amazing helmet. I wish his helmet existed. Oh my gosh, it even has a little glass. Look, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like yellow. That's not like the color, the skin color. That's actually the glass. And I got 2 extra pieces. I don't think those are important because my thing looks epic. There's this little blaster. Is this like Poe from the movie? Like Poe, or what's his name? Is it Poe or Paul? I think it was Paul or Poe or Doe. Give me that dough. There we go, guys. Look, we got our little X-Fighter wing jet. Sweet. And I got this at Walmart, and well, not Walmart. What is it? Kroger. I got this at Kroger. So. If you enjoyed that video, guys, please like, subscribe, comment. This is what it looks like. And yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.